Today I'm going to show you guys how I get my lips big without overlining my lips. Yes, naturally my lips are big, but there are times where I want them to look a little bit more bigger, and I'm going to show you guys how I do them in this video. So stay tuned if you want to see how I do that. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna show you guys two ways on how I achieve the big lip look. The first one is just the all over lid. The second one is like ombre color. So the second look isn't for everyone, and I don't wear this often, but it works. It makes your lips pop more than it would if you just left it one color. So I try to blend the middle color with the side color by putting my lips together as often as I can to make it blend. It looks crazy right now, but the more I put my lips together, the better. And you can see my lip natural lip line. And what I've noticed with my lips is that once I start putting them together, it like moves the makeup a little bit up on the arch of my lip line, making it look like I overline my lips. But no, if my lips just does that because it's big, it just folds. And one thing that I didn't show you guys here that you can do to help you is by putting concealer underneath your lip to give illusion of a shadow. I don't need that. My lips naturally folds and it gives illusion of a shadow. Actually, my lips folds sometimes and it leaves the makeup on my chin, believe it or not. It's just like if I bite into a burger or something, my lip would just fold a little bit and it will leave the makeup on my chin. And that's one of the things of just having a big lip. I'm repeating this step to show you guys that if it doesn't work with another color, it can work with a darker color as well. And it doesn't look so dramatic.